Hello everyone. In last lecture we have seen the definition of DFA. What is DFA in detail with one example. Now here we have an example, the problem statement. Construct DFA that language ends with AB over the input symbol A comma B. Very first you have to understand that what is the content, what is the basic that the language end with AB. So this kind of problem statement, first we have to understand the language first. The language says that end with AB. That means the condition that whatever strings we will have, there should be end with AB. So if we consider end with AB, so before that we can have anything. It may be a, it may be a B or combination of AB. That means A comma B star. So we will explore that language will be AB, language can be AB, language can be AB, anything will be there, but it must be end with AB. So we'll try to draw the DFA for the same. So Q0 will be the starting state. First try to understand and justify the minimum length of string. So minimum length of string is AB. So we'll draw for minimum length of string Q2. Q2 will be the final state. Here will be the B. So we can understand the language end with AB. As we know the definition of DFA, we have to check a state with both the inputs. Here what are the inputs? Inputs are A comma B. So we'll check one by one. Q0 state, the A input is covered. Now we have to deal with B. We can see in a problem statement the end with AB. If we go the self loop with B, we don't have any problem because our problem statement says end with AB. So for the B, it can be a self loop. Self loop means the state may contain B as an input or nothing as an input. Self loop contains epsilon value also. So we can run B, A, B. So string end with AB. So successfully we will finish Q0 state. Now check for the Q1 state. So B input is already there. So we have A. If we make A as a self loop, we will run the string B, A, A, B, end with AB. If we don't take B, A, B, end with AB, AB, end with AB. Now Q1 state, both the inputs we have covered. Now the last is the final state, Q2 state. In our problem statement, they ask end with AB. So if we go with A as a input from Q2 to Q1, so we can read the string AB, end will be the Q2. As I told you that double circle state is a final state and the DFA is going to accept only when we reach at a final state, the Q2 state. AB. So whatever the problem statement says, we are going to satisfy with our problem statement. Now Q2, A input is covered. Now with the B can't be a self loop because it will not be end with AB then. So as with the formula Q2 to Q1 with A input. So with the B we can't go to the Q1 because one state, one input, one output state. With that definition of DFA, we will have a possibility that we can go to the Q0. So now we will run A, B, B. Anytime it will be end with AB. So A, B, A, B. So as we know that the Q2 will be the final state. So all the time we will stop at the Q2. This is the DFA for the given problem statement. Thank you for the listening. We'll see the next example in next lecture. Thank you.